If you have sensitive information on your iPhone, like tax returns with your social security number, or a sensitive or private photo or a video, you can now lock those in the Files app. I'll show you exactly how to do that so no one else can access it. So the first thing you're going to do is take your finger and swipe down and type in Files. Tap on the Files app at the top left. And then tap on My iPhone. If you don't see that, just tap on Browse a couple times. And then tap on My iPhone. And in my case, tap on Downloads. Here I have just some random photo, but I'm going to use this as an example. It might be in the Downloads folder, or it might be somewhere else, and you can always save it to the Files app, whether it's a PDF or an image or whatever it might be. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on New Folder. On the new folder, I'm just going to say, name this to Trevor, and hit the check mark. Now, you can name it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. You can name it something private. And I'm going to take this file and then drag it over and lift it up so that I put that image or whatever sensitive file is in that folder. Now, tap the back arrow. Now, here is that folder with that file that's sensitive in there that you don't want anyone to see. Press and hold on the folder. Tap Compress. You can see it changed this to a zip file. However, if you wanted to open it up, you just tap on it and it unzips it. But we're going to do a trick next. We're going to press and hold on that zipped file, tap Rename. And on here, we're going to rename this, but we're going to remove the .zip afterwards. So I can rename it to just Trevor. And then tap Remove. Now what it does here, or I guess I need to rename it something else because Trevor is already taken. So let's just rename this to Trevor 5 and hit the check mark and tap Remove. Now what you'll see is that this file no longer does anything. It's a broken file. I can tap on it and it just doesn't do anything. Now on the original folder, press and hold on it and then scroll down and tap on Delete. And let me do the same for this folder as well. Now essentially what I've done is I've created a zipped file of that sensitive information, but I've removed the .zip at the end, meaning your iPhone just doesn't know what to do with it. It's not a zip file anymore, and anybody that comes in here will just tap on it and they won't be able to see anything. However, if you go in there and you wanted to be able to see it again, just press and hold on that file, tap Rename, and at the end, just type in .zip, ZIP, and hit the check mark. And then hit Add. And just like that, it turns back into a zipped file. I can tap on it to extract it, tap on the folder, and there is my sensitive file, the document that might have your social security number or a sensitive or personal information. You can all put it in there and nobody else will be able to see it. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.